was a weird sound.
Crown in the house, Crownanalysis day. Making moves, dropping knowledge every single day. Videos hitting 100K subscribers strong. Bitcoin level bullish vibes, we can't go wrong. Bullish vibes, we can't go wrong. Analyzing charts with precision, he's got a vision. Spotting trends, predicting gains, making the right decision. Tom Crown in the bullish corner, he's a king. Educating the masses, bringing that crypto bling. Jet Pow, Tom Crown on the scene.
What is up, dudes? It's Monday. It's Monday. And we're getting a little pampy. A little bit of pamp is coming our way. Feeling good. Man, finally. It was not the most eventful weekend for price action, but things are starting to wrap up and get a little bit better. It is Monday, and so we have our comprehensive, in-depth, expert analysis on the markets and the update for said market. Shout out to Papi, my guy. Coming in clutch. Ooh, coming in clutch. Ooh, coming in clutch. Writing these every week. We appreciate you. If you're interested in writing for Crownanalysis.com, have your articles published. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Send me a message and follow Papi on Twitter because he deserves it. If you could, guys, please caress that like button. You know I am a YouTuber, and if I don't get enough likes every single stream, YouTube sends ninjas out to take me. So please don't let them take me. I want to live. I have a will, and we're going to get through it, especially with these candles being green. There's just something about it. So let's jump into it here. A few updates on these. We're doing them a little differently, always evolving. A look at the current trend. There we go. There we go. Look at the current trend. Papi looking for some short-term downside price action. Has he gone full bearish on us? No, he hasn't. Papi looking for what could be a larger inverse head and shoulders playing out. I think that's a valid take on analysis. So basically, let's look at our near-term forecast. Short-term bullish potential based on recently accommodating economic data and, most importantly, in my opinion, the easing from the Fed via the FOMC. Currently, we're ranging from about 60 to 70K with a small upside break from a bull flag last week that didn't go anywhere until this morning. Very, very spicy. Papi writes, or the author writes, that most likely they believe that consolidation through the summer is the likely price action. Now, that is definitely possible and would line up almost too perfectly with every other summer we've seen over the last 4 or 5 years. So not a bad take. Momentum data like ADX and MACD show momentum rounding at a bottom of this range. Sentiment sometimes volatile, incredibly volatile. We were full bull 2 months ago, then pretty much full bear over the last 5 weeks. What are you guys feeling now? Are you feeling bullish or bearish? It's important info. Swinging sharply with short-term price action on chain remains fairly muted with no clear low time frame directional bias, though the chart may be giving us that now. Overall, a thesis for Papi is that a mid-cycle consolidation and chop appears the most likely. I agree. That's the most likely outcome. I'm not going to call for it, but that is the most likely outcome. That's what we've seen time and time again. So 2 scenarios for the remainder of 2024. And we have this beautiful bullish bearish bar. Winter sideways summer with no sustained breakout. This aligns with historic trends and timelines for diminished returns and lengthened cycles, which I do not believe in. I think it's a bunch of malarkey. Later in Q3, the odds of a Fed pivot increase. I would say they increase, I'd say around Q4. But risk assets begin to rally and cycle peak Q4 or between Q4 24 and H1 25. The other scenario is that the ETF approvals in the US and now Hong Kong accelerate the crypto cycle, leading to a rally beginning as early as, well, it could already be rallying right now, and a cycle peak late this year. We actually have some updates on some of those on-chain metrics. They've been very stagnant, but bullishly leaning or biased, so solid. Of course, nothing is a guarantee, never is. Historically, the post 10 months after having grown increasingly bullish, the ETF flows begin to rise again, and we even saw GBTC inflows finally after what seemed like forever. And the latest FOMC reinforcing this bias. Now, Coinbase app still not anywhere near the top of the rankings, but still elevated, and on-chain data has not yet peaked, but is also elevated into early mid-bull cycle. Bear case, Fed may not taper rates. The US election could introduce divisive political and geopolitical tensions. I mean, it's the same stuff. We know this. There's a lot going on in the world, and at any time we could get something negative. You know, nobody saw 2020 coming. Promising narratives remain pretty much the same. If you want to look at this article in depth, you can go to crownanalysis.com. I'm just going to go through the goodies for you. Cycle forecast, here we go. On-chain market health. This is what I wanted to get to before we jump into the chart. It's taking a little breather for us. Bad Baptist, don't you put that evil on me, man. He said as soon as we go live, the rally will stop. Don't you put that on me. Below is a list of popular data points that indicate whether we are near cycle ranges, or at least they have historically. This has been summarized greatly. Supply of Bitcoin on exchanges. Year to date, bullish. You really can't fight it, can't say anything else about it. You can remain bearish, but you cannot say that the supply on exchanges has not trended bullishly. And even over the last week, we have seen nearly a 2% drop in supply. Actually, that's since March, but we saw one of the biggest drops on exchange supply over the weekend. We'll see, it's on this. Newpool was neutral with a weak bullish bias. Year-to-date performance, bullish. Topping signal, an additional no, about 20% away from historical range highs. MVRV, market cap to realized cap, remains neutral this week with a slight move up, and year-to-date bullish. Pretty much across the board, we are seeing weekly bullish signals, except for on minor position index. Weekly bearish as minor sell pressure rose to the highest levels in a month. I think that's pretty expected after halving. With minor selling consolidating or coinciding with the peak at 67K, but still remains bullish over the year. Now, Bitcoin is starting to move, so I'm going to wrap this up. Bitcoin net flow, 7-day bullish. We had the largest outflow since November 2023. Here's that November 2023 outflow. Of course, we had a bigger one, I guess, right before that, October. Moving on over to today, there it is. This outflow, or Bitcoin leaving exchange, eclipsing a lot of time, a lot of net flows in. That is a very bullish signal on my book. The dollar remains threatening to everything. I'm just summarizing so fast so we can get to the chart, man. Bitcoin at 68.3. Dollar still threatening everything. We're going to take a look at that chart in a little bit. We'll go more into it. Market sentiment remains, I'd say it's a little bit bullish. Coinbase app moderately up in the last week. Google trends remain very low for Bitcoin. Meme coins may be stealing some of that search volume this round. Institutions, I think Papi is basically speculating here that people looking for Bitcoin or Ethereum on Google are likely not institutional traders, and they're largely retail. And by this metric remaining low, he is speculating that retail is the ones doing this, not institutionals at the moment. Now, meme coins, this is a bonkers search trend history. Searches for meme coins continue to slide off of their March highs, but those March highs were all-time highs, and it remains to be seen if this continues up or if meme coins are rotating out for the next cycle hype event. That wouldn't surprise me. I think people at this point, specifically on Solana, which is the next one we'll look at, I think they're a little fed up. The more I look on Reddit, on the Solana subreddit, the more posts I see kind of being the anti-culture to degenerate meme coining. I don't know, maybe it's just natural equilibrium. Solana searches. We're going to start looking at some more terms here because they're more spicy on the search history. Solana searches are currently down, and it looks honestly like a mix between Bitcoin and meme coins here, with a peak in March that has settled back down since. Solana did log some, I would say, some upside actually. We'll take a look at that chart very shortly. However, it remains seen if this is just a small bounce or the end of the hype. Who knows? Probably the former. Ethereum appears to be similar to Bitcoin, just lesser of a high. There's really very little Ethereum hype going on now, according to search histories or search volumes. And that actually lines up pretty well with the sentiment around here. I would say 2-3 years ago, Ethereum was spoken almost as much as Bitcoin in our little live streams. And now it seems like people are kind of souring on Ethereum as it's struggling to gain upside traction. Dominance is the big player, Bitcoin dominance. We'll look at this chart, and I just want to jump out of this and get to the charts because stuff's moving. I did miss 𝐻𝐻𝐻 speaking yesterday, but it was a pre-recorded commencement thing. I hope nothing important was said. I kind of doubt there was. But into this week, we see, let's see, NZD interest rate decision, global rate decisions coming in, going to impact that Dixie strength. CPI for Britain, existing home sales, crude, FOMC minutes on Wednesday, so make sure you tune in as we cover those live when they come out, 2 p.m. East. It's going to be a good time. Thursday, initial jobless claims, S&P, U.S. manufacturing, global services, new home sales, and then a light Friday lunch of German GDP and durable good orders. So shout out to Papi again, my friends. Follow him, give him all the credit for writing these awesome articles for us every week and keeping us in the know. If you are joining us, you'll see this little subscriber count. If you're not subscribed, hit that button and make that thing spin over. Help us break that 110,000 subscriber resistance. All right. I am going to do a breakdown on the corn, but I want to get a little bit of tunes going here. Hold up. A little bit of tunes. I'm going to be reading the chat first, and then we're going to do the corn. Ooh. There we go. How's that audio? Pickle? Pickle, good audio, bad audio? Let me know. I'll tune it. I will make it right. Pulling up the chats now. We got a few hundred viewers on the main stream. I'm going to put the vertical public. Hopefully you guys don't all get notifications again. That'd be annoying, but you probably will. Good volume. Thank you, sir. Hey, Pego, my guy, audio great. What's up, Taylor? How you doing, Pest Killers? Sounds perfect. Thank you, Priest. What's up, Craig? Ace of Hearts. 𝐻𝐻𝐻. 𝐻𝐻𝐻 minutes on Wednesday. Audio about perfect. That's just luck. This is chance. So happy. Mary Beth, why are you happy? Is it because you're getting that dopamine back? That sweet, sweet green candle dopamine? I'm right here with you, darling. Nice ambiance. Thank you. Good. Perfect. Perfect. When there's music playing, my brain subconsciously is avoiding the silence less. So I think that will lead to more coherent speech. What's up, Ariel? Good to see you, Ariel. How have you been? Crypto Steve O. What's up, man? What's up? Are you going to Austin? By the way, I am going to be going to Austin, Texas, June 1st. Not so much for consensus, but Bitmain has invited me down. They're flying me out to have some chat. Bitmain being the ASIC manufacturer. So it should be a good time. If you're in Texas, let me know. Or if you're going to consensus, let me know. What's up? What's up, R. Kanish? Hello, my inspiration. You're my inspiration, Kanish. Mr. Blank, MBF Forum, my guy, how you doing? Dr. Crypto, Halada Fajine, how you doing, brother? About time we moved up. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. What's up, Bkashi, Maddox, INT? We got some energy going. Are you feeling the energy today? Are you feeling the vibes? We should take a poll if this is actually a real rally or just a trap. Xenodermis, remember the last bull run, these techno tunes really helped the pump. Yeah, well, we need them. I think we need help. We need help on this pump, man. Just call you big. What's up? Birkir, Martinez, Lou, let's go. Matic, what's up, FK? 850 watching. Let's keep that going. Julie the brain lady is back. We have, guys, now in the last just few minutes, I have seen multiple names return to us after a long hiatus. We welcome you back. If this is just a vacation back into the charts, that's fine as well, but it's good to see. It's always a great signal or indicator to me when we see some of these old names return. Great to see you, Julie. Big Short, what's up, my friend? Tim Johnson, Greg, Savchuk, Lion. Boss is calling you. That's okay, brother. If you gotta go, you gotta go. It's all good in the hood. What's up, Warren? Adam S. Time to rip. I'm feeling a little bit of rippy. Are you guys feeling a little bit of rippy? The corn is looking kind of rippy. So let's jump. I meant to do this already. Go into this. Oh no, wait. My subscribers thing is gone. There we go. I don't even know if I ever want to stream without this counter. I love this counter. It's like my favorite thing. I like how in real time it moves. It makes me happy. Makes me happy when this thing rolls over. It's fighting. 109,515. We keep going to 15, back to 14. That's okay. What's up, Chris Newton? Joining, adding to that number, Jim, Matt, Nelly, Reno, Averis, Tim Boss. We got a lot of new names. Good to see. Good to see YouTube actually serving our videos and our live streams to people. What's up, TM Young Devil? Do I trade Forex? Not as much now. I follow Forex, don't really trade it. Stream looks weird. Johnny B, you're on the mobile stream. This is the mobile stream, if you can read this. There you go. That is meant only for the phones. If you want to join us on the main one, copy pasta that link over, but you can't really click links. There you are. There you go. What's up, Silent? Need to make a subscriber count into a chart. Yes. Well, there is actually a chart, but it's hard to TA. What's up, Christoph? Rajat, good to see. Albert Einstein's back. What's up, bro? 70K or 63K first? 70K is a smaller move. I'm gonna go there. Dom is now a confirmed crypto guy. Your friends internet. Welcome to the club, bro. If you're watching this stream, there is a 67% chance that your friends refer to you as that crypto guy. You know, it just comes with the territory. The good news though is they'll call you that crazy guy, then they'll call you the crypto guy, then they'll call you that lucky guy. Once you get to that stage, once you're in the luck stage, that's how you know you made it. It's good stuff. I was there for many years. Many a year. Let's see. Let's take a look at this corn. What's the corn doing? It's doing good stuff. I put too much stuff on this morning. There we go. There we go. Let's take a peek here. Bitcoin, where you going? Let's start on the longer time frames. Thought it's about HBAR. We can look at HBAR then. They call you that Tom Crown sim guy. That's fine, Lee. Don't worry about what other people think, my friend. Your opinion is the only opinion that matters. Don't let them gaslight you into thinking their opinions matter. Only your opinion matters. Here we go. We'll start on the weekly here. Luck stage means you found some secret sauce. Yeah. You're known as the broke crypto guy. Hey, Duck. We all started out as the broke crypto guy, man. The goal, the dream is to get away from that. All right, really long time frames here. Weekly, on the week, we looked at this over the last, I don't know, 10 days or so. Bitcoin putting in a higher low versus early January of this year. However, RSI or Relative Strength Index also putting in a lower low right there on the higher low. So higher low in price, lower low in RSI. That is bullish divergence on the week. It's actually hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Last week finally closed. Oh, finally closed that weekly candle. Let's go. Where do we close at? 66,261. A beautifully bullish close for Bitcoin. Really, all we needed was 64,000. I just wanted to see a bullish engulf on the week close, and it looks like the bulls had a little bit extra sauce on there, a little more spice to put on the mix. This week already trading into a higher high. Bitcoin is going at the moment for, it's really just to confirm its first higher high since back in March. It is crazy how this price action has sapped the energy from the market. March was incredibly exciting, and over the course of the last 70 almost days, Bitcoin retraced almost 25%, but largely remained in this range. That's a beautiful weekly close. Like, let's go. Market Cipher B giving us a little green dot on momentum as VWAP rolls over. Market Cipher B looking favorably on this rally. MACD. After 3 weeks of increased selling momentum, signified here by these bright red bars, we're finally seeing in this week on a strong close, that momentum beginning to wane in strength and give way to the bulls. Giving it up to the bulls, baby. Down on the daily, let's see. Actually, Papi showed the 4-day, which I thought was dope because I was looking at this too. This is not a pattern. This isn't a thing, but I like this. I don't know. It's like an extended 3 rising methods. It's a green bodied candle with these tiny little red bodies that gets bullish engulfed higher than the close of the first green candle. So it's like a mega 3 rising methods, whatever it is. I like it. I like this very much. Let's take a look at the 4-day quick. 4-day apparently not paying attention to the last 70 days of trading. Money flow making higher highs. Momentum did dip into negative, but is now firmly back on the positive side. Another potential bullish divergence could be viewed there from that. Really strong MACD. Like, this is what you want, man. In a bull run for Bitcoin, this is what you want to see on MACD. You want to see that the basis line is what's called. Doesn't really matter. You want to see these lines not just make moves up, but you want to see them stair step away or continue to put distance away from that 0 line. Why? Just what we see in the past. That's just, you can observe it. That's what it looks like when we're full clear bull. And man, this is a 4-day time frame. Like, here we go. Just get farther and farther away. That's what we saw back in 21. Beautiful momentum here. Waning selling momentum, looking to roll over into that weekly as Bitcoin moves higher. I mean, that's gorgeous. I do want to check really quick here on the day. We're going to zoom down a little bit. LuxAlgo, buddy, LuxAlgo. Shout out to our sponsor, LuxAlgo. You can get a free risk-free trial using my link. It's in the video description below. We looked at this like on Wednesday, I believe. It might have been Thursday last week. It was Thursday and stream Wednesday. Thursday, LuxAlgo giving us that long signal finally on the day. It has been so long. It's been so long. It's been 31 days since that one. Then we had a green trend candle for LuxAlgo signals and overlays. It has been, man, 40 days since we got that up arrow. We had well done, LuxAlgo. We can see our resistance band here flipping on signals and overlays into support. That's good. Wow, we're looking to escape this downtrend. I like that. That's beauts. Daily is like, this is where my brain is stuck at. So daily money flow just rolled over. We had this beautiful inverse head and shoulders play out, sent momentum soaring, but man, you can see this momentum band's already starting to pinch, kind of losing that. I can interpret this as, well, maybe we're going to see a local swing high into another higher low, or maybe we're going to see this actually kick off and really push to the have anything till right here, 71.3. 71.3. Let's just say pumps over now. And that's at 68.6. There we go. Vote away. Vote away. Today you're on the vertical. Go get that money. Go for it, Smokeser. My guy. Appreciate you. Bad Saf, you're over there on the vertical stream too. If you guys want to join us on the main one, feel free. 69K typical small pullback. Of course. I mean, even if we just do this, even if we do this today, we'll be seeing little bouncy pullbacks. Man, I'm feeling it. 5 minute wants to lift off again. Let's go. Let's do it. Send it. If you could hype up that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Like this guy. Watch and know Dr. Shabir Khan. Welcome, my friend. Easy Life by RK joining for our little Bitcoin pump going on. Good to see you, Patty Chandra, Ramon Labouche, Hoover JM. I saw Naga subscribed. What's up, my guy? Chris Newton. Many more beautiful names coming, I have a feeling. All right. Got my little low time frame done. Hourly could look better, but still looking at that upside. Real quick here, gonna graze through 4 hour, kind of janky actually. A little potential issue evolving in front of us as this price action unfolds live. RSI here on the 4 hour still considerably below May 15th's rally. May 15th's high here. Potential bear div looking to pain out if price can't push to higher highs here. Man, this is beautiful. I wanted to go live a little bit earlier. I guess we did, but this is beautiful, man. Anyone who doubts the flat top, never doubt the flat top, man. Well, definitely. Never say never, but like flat top, I saw this and I was like, what is going on here? Like, what is Bitcoin doing, man? It's beautiful. It can't be this beautiful. Consolidate it here. Send it to 71.3, like, for real. 12 hour, inching its way up here on RSI. Nice climb. I like that. 12 hour, potentially on a strong close in the next who knows how long. Giving this little gumdrop on the sell side after a gumdrop on the buy side. If that momentum can pull up higher, that's definitely gonna look very good. Increasing momentum finally returns to the 12 hour. All right. Look at this perfect SR flip. I'm gonna go right back to the chat here in a minute. Look at this perfect SR flip. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Order block. 3 candle long setup. Closes higher. What does it do? It retraces. Where does it go to? That newly printed order block right here. Trading briefly below it intraday, however, settling above said close and now pushing higher. That's gorgeous. That is a strong climb, man. That's a beautiful, strong climb. What is this starting to look like? All right, let me pull up the chat. I'm starting to get kind of deja vu with this candle setup. Maybe it's a fractal, maybe it's recent price action. Is anyone feeling that? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Do you get that vibe? What is it that I'm looking for? What is it that this reminds me of? Is it back here? Is it this? Is this what it reminds you of? Tell me, chat. Keeping it real, thank you, Ed. That's all I do, baby. My headphones just turned off. Is OctaFX a fake app for India? It's always better to assume it is. Always better to assume something's a scam in crypto. Why did my headphones turn off? I don't know. The music's still playing, right? Connected. There we go. It's back on. Elliott Wave 5 coming. Is this it? I think this is it. It's like the fall, lower high, lower low, lower high, fall, wick, climb back up, and then it's like little move, flag. Is this where we're at, boys? The music is musicking. Beautiful. Beautiful days. Don't you just feel better when candles are green? Like, isn't life just great? Like, food tastes better, air smells cleaner, water is more delicious. Everything's better. This is the dopamine addiction we've given ourselves. Looks like the fractal of the last 4 years. No, I don't know what it is. Dead batteries, yeah, but it shouldn't. I don't know. These are new headphones on Y2K. I actually tagged them in the YouTube shop, so there should be a thingy at the bottom of the stream. These are wonderful headphones. They don't make me look like a Cyberman. That's why I like them. What's up, Mohammed? A name in a language that I do not know how to pronounce nor say, but I welcome you. No, not, well, that one as well, but the other one. This one. I see Mo Saw subscribed to many others. Let's get this up. Let's get this 109.5 to 109.6. Let's pump it with the corn. Pump it up. There we go. You shorted what it is called Pandu. Pandu. It is Sennheiser. Sennheiser. Pindle and Pith. 420, let's go. Yes. No, Watney, we need to get 420 likes on this. Can you please lend your thumb on the weekly? Ah, okay. How's gold doing? Gold, well, if you, I think I need to get you on the payroll, man, because I need someone to toss me that softball to transition into the next chart I have pulled up. I have been yelling about gold going to a new all-time high. I will admit here I was wrong. On Friday, while we were streaming, I said, I think gold hits an all-time high today, and that was Friday. Unfortunately, it did not. It did not hit it on Friday. Wait, why is there no Friday candle? That's weird. Either way, today gold did hit a new all-time high as predicted, but a little bit later than the prediction. Looking at gold on a low time frame, this looks absolutely beast. This is the hourly. You can see these lows starting to fit a parabolic curve, looking very, very fine, actually. Looking very fine. Let's add this on here. Fitting a parabolic curve. There we go. But you can see these lows not just coming up, but each low coming up more. Each low higher relative to the last low. I don't know. Parabolic. Into a new all-time high, and this is looking very, very good still. Very, very good still. A return to 2,400 on gold might be the play. Might be the play, especially if we see this rally intraday fail or hit a lower high. We could see something like this returning to our newly created all-time high. I think that was like the monthly close of 2,400. But if that does happen, I would not fear it. That's likely the entry, if it even comes. Gold taking no prisoners here, and Peter Schiff could not be happier. You know what I love? When Peter Schiff tweets but doesn't tweet about Bitcoin. Like when he just tweets about gold. I love it. I'm like, yeah, man, I can get behind that. But then he's just got to throw in the Bitcoin stuff. And then you're like, buddy, you just sound so terrible. You sound awful. Anyway, looking to the upside using our local fib extension, 2331 for gold. Measured move target sits at 2,600. Those are great targets for this week. I could see gold trading, honestly, I could see gold trading to 2,600 this week. Looking at the weekly, what's good? Everything's good, man. Let's go. After a 10-year chilling, gold finally waking up. It's wild though. Think about this. How much did inflation, like realistically, how much inflation did we experience right here from March 2020 to today, right? I would argue like 100%, like everything like 100% went up. Gold remained sideways through all that inflation, ranging just at its all-time highs, down to 1,700. You would have expected this to double just based on everything. I don't know. Hopefully gold has a big rip. I think gold, whether it's this year or next year, I think gold's going to have just a face-melting rally at some point. We're going to see it put on gains that it's like never put on. And then it'll probably never do that again in our lifetime. It'll be like the one time and it'll be over. I don't know. I'm a gold bull. I like gold, but as a millennial crypto guy, just why would I don't know, why would I ever buy gold? Ooh, we just broke the 1,000 viewer mark. 1,000 concurrent live viewers on the main stream. Let's go, boys. Make sure you hype that like button, share the stream out, subscribe, keep it going. That's how we got so many today. What's up, Sadka1 Gracha? Good to see you. The next chart, and we will get into more crypto. GME, I want to keep following GME for a while. I really hope that just by saying GME over and over and over again in the streams and putting it in the title, that some of those GME people find our channel. Because GME people, we're what you're looking for. This is what you're looking for. You're trying to operate, you're trying to beat the system that is rigged against you. That is an admirable goal. I applaud it. But there are better vehicles to do that. Trying to defeat the system using the tools in the system is going to be a harder battle. Bitcoin was designed to do exactly this. GME people, hear our call. If you buy and hold old Bitcoin, nobody can just snap their fingers and create shares for you. But anyway, my prediction here coming true slowly, 1750 for GME, the exact place where it started. That's not great. Hasn't reached it yet. It left a large gap from 1750 to 25 bucks. That started to be filled in. We still have an open gap above. Likely something like this after that 1750 hit. Look for like 30. In fact, I'm going to put a trade. Let's see how this looks. I like that. Boom. Just like that. 1750. Now the problem is this. This was a crazy rally. Wild. 550%. Put almost everything else to shame. There's a few issues. One, returning to 1750. While I do think it would give us an opportunity to long and likely scalp some profit, there's an issue. This will mean that this entire rally has retraced, which we know as chartists almost always leads to continuation, leads to further downside. Like, that is not great. You don't want to see that. You want to see some kind of low hold, even if you have a really deep retracement. Losing that level, obviously going to be even worse. If you saw something like this, you could start seeing a head and shoulders pan out, etc. But so even with this 550% rally, Jimmy didn't hit new all-time highs. Now that needs some context. It did get pretty close, $81. However, I believe in this time, GME underwent a stock split. Probably another rigged mechanic to wreck you guys, right? More shares. Stock split. So with the split, I don't remember what the split was. I should have done more homework, but I wanted to share this with you guys. I think it was like, nope, not even going to comment. But pre-split, I think it hit, well, it hit 80 last week, but pre-split, I think that was roughly its all-time high. Does anyone in chat know? Did any of the GME folks find their way here and are like, hey, I know that. Wizard hat pattern? You do not want the wizard hat pattern, man. That dangerous wizard hat. That is a wizard hat, though. Like, you're spot on with that. Spot on with that wizard hat. Hit the S symbol at the bottom. Doesn't have one. No, I know you mean. It doesn't have one. This was... Oh, okay. For the split. Thank you, man. Thank you, Demiels. I'm a crypto guy. I don't really mess with the stocks too often, and so these things I do not pay that much attention to. Stock split 4-1. 4-1. So what? Wait, if it split 4-1, that means that was a new all-time high, right? It was a new all-time high in market cap. Let's look at the price action after the split. Just down and then pump. Huh. I wonder, is there like GME market cap? I've never really heard anyone talk about market cap in stocks. No. I'm just gonna Google it. GME market cap. I think that's the play. GME market cap. Now, why is the market cap lower? Am I not looking at market cap, am I? Market cap 6 billion. This is not helpful. It's not showing me. Market capitalization, here we go. I guess not in 2021. How is that possible? How did they have a 4-to-1 stock split? Hit 11 billion in 21, and then only hit 6 billion, even though it hit 80. So you take 80 times 4, it'd be 320. That'd be a new all-time high. I don't know. Stocks are a scam. There you go. Like, long story short, stocks are a scam. Let's be real. Minor stocks, Mara Riot, doing well. Okay. All right. We had a nice chart on Mara for someone who super chatted a request a while ago. I haven't checked back in on it. It was 20 billion back then. What's going on? Yeah, use ChatGPT. Ayo. There we go. Mara. I mean, I'm not super stoked. This isn't that exciting for me. 25% gain. Okay. Maybe I misspoke. Our entry was good. Mara heading for that $23 mark. Ooh. Yeah, these are interesting. Interesting. And then I'd be looking for 50. Of course, just like with anything, once momentum starts, it sometimes can start snowballing, kind of getting ahead of itself, getting away. And you may not end up with these pullbacks. But $50 silver, man, that looks like that should have happened. Honestly, it looks like it should have happened back in 2020. Silver has spent a really long time doing not a lot. Look at this chart. The highest silver ever traded, we could say effectively, was in 1980 at $50. It touched that again in May 2011. Since then, it put in a higher low. This is looking tight. Silver's keeping it tight now. Does that mean it has to blast off to new all-time high? Not necessarily. Because of this slow movement and just in general the way we see metals move, we could easily see another iteration play out over, 10 years or something. Very possible. But whatever you think is going to happen, this chart looks strong as hell. 34 bucks I think is locked in. I think 50. I mean, this decade. Who knows? We'll see where tomorrow takes us, right? Pull Bitcoin back up, and I'm going to pull the chat back up because I got sidetracked. If you're here, if you said something very interesting or important or smart since I started ranting, can you reiterate so I can read it again? Just put it back in chat. What's up, and what about RSR? Good question. What's up, DJ Johnny 55 Hodl Crew? Smash the likes, thank you, man. Ana Vasquez trying to be the next Roaring Kitty. No. Nah, I'm a crypto guy. I'm not a stock guy. How do I learn to read charts so well? Well, Anna, I've been doing this live for 5 years on YouTube. Was obsessed with charts before that, but we've been streaming live here regularly, publishing content every day for 5 friggin' years on YouTube. A lot of practice. Lots of practice, man. What's up, Bogus Fungus? JM Bullion showing over $34 silver price. All right, maybe I'm not bullish enough. Did silver ever split? What's up, Chester? Cost. Can cost break? Cost. Charts on. We'll see. See, I don't want to get distracted. Chat loves smashing that like button. Do we have 420 likes yet? Looks like cost no longer is on Pancake Swap. Is it CostcoHotDog? It's CostcoHotDog, isn't it? Just confirm for me. What's up, Grateful Imp? I keep saying Grateful Imp. Grateful MJP. It looks like IMP. How long have I been in Bitcoin? About 8 years? More than 8 years? Something like that. Loaded up on silver. 15 Solana 45. Let's go, Jesus. Jesus. What's up, Bad Baptist? Colin Clopper. Gold silver run mean a recession on the horizon? I don't know. I mean, let's be real, Colin. It's not crazy to say that, right? This is reasonable thought. However, we have been hearing this. And let me even do it with an example. Let me just put the chart in front of us while I say this. We have been hearing a recession is looming for how long? Whoa. Hold up. Just moved stuff. There we go. There we go. What's up? AbHe. I see you, AbHe. Keep subscribing, everybody. I appreciate it. How long have we been hearing that a recession is looming? And I will do cost for you, Chester. Is it CostcoHotDog? Just let me know. How long? Down here. On the way down. Off of the 21, 22 highs. This is the S&P 500. We were hearing most of that down here.
Resistance. Chart is on Dextal. I don't think it is on TradingView.
This is where we first, this is the first time, like when I started hearing recession. Remember, we were already in a recession. Like, what? This is when, do you guys remember this? You remember this? Off of the highs. We had 3 months of red candles. The definition of a recession was what, 2 red candles quarterlies, or was it just 1? It doesn't matter what it was because they changed the definition to not call it a recession. But that's when we heard that most, like that rhetoric the hardest. Now we're up here at all-time highs. Is a recession looming? I mean, we all got to think yes, yet here we are. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but it doesn't seem like the markets are rationally playing along with it, right? I don't know. I kind of doubt it. I was a little worried about S&P's run here when it pulled back. I was thinking maybe it was going to get a lower high. Broke to new all-time high. Like, send it again. They say you don't short stocks at all-time high. Send it again. What's up, Julian Jackson, Ivan Cuevas, Aztec 355. What's up, my friends? Welcome. Stay a while. Listen. All right. Where was it? Chester. If you say yes, we can do $1,000 giveaway, says Josh Park. You should work with Bybit, says Josh Park. Or Joseph Park. Bybit used to sponsor our channel. Bybit's a great exchange, guys. Nothing wrong with it. I got links in the video description below. If you sign up with any of them, Bybit included, using my link, you'll get access to the VIP, exclusive trading, whatever you want to call it in our Discord, trading group. It's free. All you have to do is use one of those links, Bybit's included. Where was Chesta? Chesta, what did you say? Is it CostcoHotDog, man? It says message retracted. Retracted. Don't retract it. Chester, can you clarify? Can you give us a little CostcoHotDog? There we go. Pump music, please. Yeah, this song is not jamming as much. Opinion on Bryce, E&J looking juicy. Do you offer internships? Yeah, of course I do, Bobby. They're unpaid. If you want to join any of the internship program over here at the Tom Crown channel, all you have to do is join the Discord, discord.gg/Tom Crown. Do I have Dex Tools or Dex Screener? Like, I can look it up. I can look it up on there, but if it's CostcoHotDog, they have it, I guess. I'll look it up on Dex Screener. All right. You've convinced me. Dex Screeny. Give me a tick. Actually, I don't know what's gonna pop up here. Okay. Costco hot dog. God, you gotta be so careful, guys. Like, another time for me to rant. I won't make it a long one. You gotta be so careful. Looking on Dex Screener, like, I type in cost. We're, I guess, looking for Costco hot dog. Look, 1 Costco hot dog, 2 Costco hot dog, 3 Costco hot dog, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's like 30 Costco hot dogs. All with the same name, all with the same ticker. Same icon. Just gotta be careful. Sick of these memes? Me too, bro. Me too, man. I was sick of the memes before this whole meme thing, even. I was already sick of them, but dude, I'm so tired of it. And it's not because I don't know. It's not because, like, it's not a thing of me being, like, grumpy because I don't have them or whatever. Like, we've seen this before, but it's the frequency and the quantity of them coming out and rugging and coming out. And it's just like, as a creator, I have to have some kind of grasp on what's going on, and it makes it almost impossible because it's like every day there's another 500 new ones. And then a week from now, almost none of those, like, they're all gone. I don't know, man. You're allowed to meme, you're allowed to degen, you know, you can like them, that's fine, man. But, like, I'm just getting tired of looking at these charts with no data and people, I don't know. It's getting old. It's getting old quick. All right, look at Costco hot dog, which I guess never traded to $1.50. It never went to parity with the Costco hot dog, unfortunately. That's a big L. Big L in his book. All right, let's just mark out our levels. Boom. Monthly 8.5 cents. Let's go. 2.1. Take the all-time high. Ooh, nice. Doesn't sell off into the end of May. Could actually have a decent monthly close. All right, looking at Costco hot dog. Rallying today with the rest of the market. However, where it is not the place to get excited, in my opinion, quite yet. I'll elaborate. Coming off of May 17th and 18th candle closes roughly at the high of May 4th. Now, you have good stuff there. You had a high that was sold off. You painted a higher low. You retested that high. Unfortunately, the market rejected. However, you found support at a higher low. I believe that was a monthly level we just marked out at 3.8 cents. And now you're right back here, which could be very exciting. But you got to close the day above 5.8 cents right here. Last hourly close was beautiful. Sold back underneath it. In this hour, it's battling. On today's close, if you're above 5.8, this is looking good. It's looking good easily to 7.2 cents. I would even say back to that 8.4 cents. That looks good. But if you close back below today, and you can see this chart has some habit of specifically even at this price point selling off after having large candles here. You can see even on the way up some selling took place. It's not guaranteed. One sec. Not guaranteed, but if you get a close above, I'm looking for 8.5 cents. There's your cost, Mr. Chester. I'll put this in the Discord. Put it in the Discord so you guys can, I don't know, get a better look at it. Can I check STX or Algo? Probably. How you doing, wine drinker? How you doing, man? Wine's pretty good. What's up, Sans Siri? Is it gonna do it? Never does it. It always makes me look like an ass. Bala Chandler. Chander. There we go. Sinsirki. Siri. Welcome, friend. Welcome. If you could, make sure, double check you've hit that like button. Double check you're subscribed. Sometimes YouTube will unsubscribe you or whatever. It's weird. Let's look at the corn quick while we kind of brainstorm what else we want to do today. What do we want to do with our lives today? Chuck is exploding today, Daniel. Your stream layout looks like a short video, not full screen. Yeah, Daniel's. So you're on the vertical stream. It's supposed to look like this. It's for your phone. I have an idea. Hold up. It's supposed to. I know it's confusing. It's a learning curve, guys. We'll get there. If you're on the mobile stream, but you're not on a mobile device, go ahead, click Tom Crown right underneath the video. Right on the channel page, you will find the main stream, 1,000 viewers. Right on. There's me, what a handsome fella. Not enough likes, 250 likes. But you're on this one, so you can navigate over here. If you're over here and you're on a phone, you can navigate over there. It's okay. That's where the party is. What's up, biggest crow factory in Bangladesh? I hope business is good, brother. No worries, my friend. Pith? All right. I saw more than one person say Pith. Will AI coins run with NVIDIA? I don't know. Like, I mean, okay, I can answer that. So when people say, will like coins run with AI? I don't know. As a narrative, yeah, you could get like hype on that narrative. I could see that. That's reasonable. Will that actually be related? No. To my knowledge, guys, there's no such thing as AI coin. In what way does any blockchain meaningfully utilize AI? I'm yet to hear anything. There's lots of projects that claim it, lots of projects with roadmaps that say, oh, this is this and this and that, but like, it's all just narrative. It's all just like a story to tell. It's not unique to AI though. Don't think I'm bashing AI specifically. This is just what happens in crypto. In crypto, you get a narrative, you get hype, and every coin, like it happened in 2017 as well with like, I don't even remember what it was then, proof of stake, where every coin then is based on that. That's what we're working on, and all these things, but none of them ever deliver. Like nothing ever really comes of them. The fact is, AI does have value with blockchain. They have a future together. They do. But AI will likely use blockchain to verify. Like it will use it as a ledger, as an account, to be able to say, I'm not a living thing with a real memory. I just have data. And so the only data that I can find that is concrete, is, unchangeable, is blockchain data. So will AIs pull from blockchain? Yes. But how does a blockchain AI though? The other way. It doesn't make much sense. AI takes a lot of processing power. A lot. You could say, but mining, yeah, mining does too. But blockchain is not the efficient use of that computing power. In decentralization, you trade efficiency for decentralization. It's just a nature of the beast. No worries. No worries. Hit the like for Tom. Thank you, man. MC10, let's look at SHIB. The closest thing, Brave browser. You've been looking for 7 years. 7 years of crypto projects outside of Bitcoin that have real use case. They don't have them. I know, they don't. Well, like I said, we're in the point of the cycle, or of the growth of this idea, where we're just going to shove everything into every box, and we're just going to see what boxes stay shut, what boxes blast open, right? Apparently AI has been demonstrated on ICP. AI running on chain. What does that mean though? Cap or die? Like, and I know, you know, I'm not coming after you, but I think as you type that, you're like, yeah, okay, I kind of see what you're saying. What does that mean? Dunno. I'm open to it, man. I want to say I was wrong. I want to say I misspoke, but I'm not sure. I don't think so, man. This is an interesting time. Yes, good. Caspa down in the dumps, but finally maybe looking good here. Looking to close a bullish engulf day today above 12.5 cents. I think that's going to be a great little signal for further upside. Look at this inverse head and shoulders looking to play out at the bottom of a falling staircase-esque decline. I was really looking at this descending channel. However, we got our higher low. We pointed that out in the last stream. That low has held its move higher and arguably painted an even higher local low. I think Caspa very reasonably is going to look for 15 cents, 14.8, 15 cents, very reasonably. If it can get some real gas, the market's moving 17 to 18, retest that all-time high. That's looking good though. Solana, because I know at least 12 people probably have asked about Solana. Or maybe not. Are we done? Are we bored of Solana yet? Doubt it. Solana trading impressively, though, to $181 right now. Money flow just starting to catch up with that price swing. That weekly is actually looking beastly. Wow. Okay. 1 second. I need to dick around with my chair. I need to get a new chair. Here we go. Money flow in the week looking strong for the Solana. Solana heading back to $200 as predicted. Looking for that $200 mark. This is where it's going to encounter some real resistance. At the moment, it's really just filling in the inefficiency left by the move up and the move down, both of which were incredibly inefficient. Virtually straight up. Efficiency at a 200. You fell. Some efficiency down here at like 140 when it built a base. Is just filling that back in. Breaking the $200 mark obviously targets the all-time high, $267 for the Solana. What do you guys think? Are you still on the Solana train? Still looking for all-time highs? I'll take it. I might open a short at 200. We'll see. We'll see. You never know. You never know. Zooming back into the corn. Maybe about to see a little pump continuation. What do I think about ARB? It's 3 letters. A is the first letter in the alphabet. That's what I think about it. Can you please look at SCI? WIF has lots of liquidity above. Can I get ADA? What's up, Suhail? PONKE and Brett. What's up, Alex Kazazaki? What about Ethereum? What are we looking at next? 44% of us with almost 600 votes are looking for a new all-time high on this pump. 34%, 71.3, and about a quarter of us thinking that the pump was over. What is this? 68.6. At this very second, the 68.6ers, the pump is over, is winning. Feels like December 2020. I actually agree. I agree. What is that coin? Which coin? Which coin? Thea. What's up? Understand Music in all caps. Great name. Welcome. Thanks for subscribing. Life is Simple. Third Ear Psychic Radio. Third Ear. We've all heard of the third eye, but the third ear. Raju. Good name. Joni in. Aiden. I'm Christian. Gerhard. Got a lot of good names. I'm seeing that I'm seeing this thing make some progress. Maybe we can get to 109.7 today with your help. Keep smashing it. Smashing. All right, what do we look at next? 𝐂𝐫𝐿. Oh, wow, we have call bots. All right, well, if you're call bots, spam it harder, call bots. Do it. I need to see more. I need to see more unique names and accounts saying call. I need to see more. I need more. It's not enough. It's not enough. More. I need at least like 2 times that many. 1.7 times that many. All right, whatever, man. Call it. Keep it going. Don't stop. I didn't say stop. I didn't say stop. Maybe that could be our thing now. Like when I'm looking at a chart, everybody like spams that chart. Like when I have Bitcoin up, you like spam Bitcoin. I have like 𝐂, crow with knife, then you spam 𝐂, you know? That makes sense. You know, is this crow with knife? Crow with knife. Crow with knife. With knife. I thought there was more history. Wrapped Chronos. 𝐂 people. Where do you trade 𝐂? Where is it? Where will I find the longest history? CEO. That's not right. Yeah, they did miss. It should have been 𝐂𝐽. I agree. Where do we look at it? Google crow with knife. I mean, I could Google it, but I want the chart, man. Nobody knows. Let me see. Let me see. I'm looking it up. VVS Finance. I was right. VVS. Why did it just start trading? This is weird. What's happening with this? Why do these have such small histories? This was trading at like a few days ago. Crow with knife. There we go. Is this it? Is this it? Is this the call? This is the call. The cow. Is this all of it? You guys got to tell me. I don't know. Did it? What? It didn't just get listed because that was a VVS is probably like a DEX. I don't know. There's just like new pairs on the DEX. I'm not really that familiar. It says 𝐂. It'd be funny if these were all real people in real life. If we were like filming this live in front of a studio audience and everybody was just going 𝐂. Like that would be good content. 𝐂𝐽. There's really not a lot of data. There is not a lot to work with, my 𝐂 peeps. What are we at? 531, 9451, 618 retracement. This was also your support after your all-time high. Lower high, you fell. Great spot to look for a back test. If you lose May's low, you do have some falling to do. You got some pain. You haven't lost it though. Just given both sides of the directional here.
I get your micro and macro outlook on that.
On VET? Sure, my guy. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Discord rating. Please don't send any bots to our Discord. If you're real people, you can join, man, but like, don't. Sending bots to the Discord is just gonna make me not want to look at 𝐂. Anyway. There's not a lot of history here. It's hard to work with. I think this level gets tested. If you lose May's low, you're looking at like 2455. It's like a 50% drop or a 50% gain. 75% gain, 50% drop. There's an R there. I don't really know what else to do. There's no not enough charting for me. Not enough chart here to do much. I think this looks good though. There you go. Martin's real. Martin's real. There you go, dude. Call. Is it vet? Yeah, dude. We haven't looked at VeChain in a while. It was popping there. It was slapping and just chilled out. Not the worst though, man. I haven't looked at this clearly on the weekly for a while. Not the worst. Look at this bleed. I like that. Moves up, bleeds down, kind of like a 45-degree angle. Nice descending parallel channel. Does seem last week, if we get a higher high into this week, that we have a reversal, at least on a lower time frame or locally. And that reversal is coming from roughly all of the highest points on this chart. All of these bear market highs right there. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Higher low, higher high. Paint your higher low here. Hold it right there. That's a resistance flip to support. You're looking for higher moves. Looking for more up. The monthly probably shows this better. Order block here on the month. Higher high. Come on down to test it. That's not bad. If VeChain breaks 5.5 cents here in the next coming months, the immediate upside target will be 7.8 cents. You get that looking left, basically. This is your major resistance, I would say. Was your support after your all-time high into your lower high, your break into the bear market. You back tested that support as resistance, moved into the bear market low. Now you're climbing back up. 7.8 cents. Good target. Yeah, I like that. Let's see. I don't know, man. We slapped VeChain real hard. We hit this trade so hard from 2.6 cents. Oh, and long again, 3.4. I think it's going to play. Why can't I copy it? I'll copy it if I damn well want. Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. 5.1. This looks like it wants to break to the upside. Maybe not quite yet. It looks like it wants to resolve up. Might take a while. Might take the rest of the week. If you lose here, 2.6 cents back to the previous long, you don't want to lose that. It's rolling over real slow. Real slowly. I think this looks good, though. I think it's unlikely to trade below 2.6 cents. I think it's going to move back to 5 first. What about this? FFIE, this gibberish. Does anybody care about this anymore? Is this over? Is it over? Doesn't look over. Wouldn't that be crazy if this rallied again, like another 10,000%? Let's see what it is back to its all-time high. I don't even know what this is. It's a stock, clearly. Of some kind. It can't be crypto. It's way too old. Maybe a 132,000% move back to its all-time high. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Keep dreaming. Inside bar candle there. Do we care about this? I don't know. Everyone cared about it for like a minute. It doesn't look bad though. Unlike, say, GME and AMC, it made this run. GME and AMC all did this immediately after. They made the wizard hat. This thing might be flagging. Might take a little more time to mature. What's up, Fabio? It's been a while. Since last you got to ask for a coin, Tezos. You got your eyes on a new one. Alright. Orca, have you subscribed? If you subscribe, I'll pull that up for you. I gotta see it pop up. What's up, Josh Richards, my guy? Good to have you here. Rij Novinu, Doran, Brazilian Monkey, Ashok MLM, Manny Kadan, Sudip, Manuel, Giga. Nice, bunch of good names. Thoughts on Maker. Wizard Hat, yep, I already trademarked it while we were live here. I think the music stopped. Hold up. Oh, it didn't stop. My headphones turned off again. What is happening? Or no? There we go. There you go. Was it secret, David? For you, man, I'll do it. SCRT. Skirt. Oh, secret. I know secret. I know secret network. I know, what's his name that works there? I know, like, the main dude. I know the main guy. Oof. Ooh, that has seen better days. Ooh, a lot more history. Wow. What to say? Held its low. This is the problem. This is the worry. This is like immediately what my brain sees. Do you see it? Remember, what is that guy's name? Cool dude. He's like the main guy at Secret. I don't remember. I met him in, actually in Texas, I think, in 22. That's an ugly monthly close. I need to see Secret above 37.9. Do not want to see this monthly close red. That's ugly. Momentum potentially rejecting on the monthly time frame. Not great to see down there, but not surprising when you get a close like that. Potentially painting bullish divergence on your weekly. No, I did not buy any of those. Oh, yeah. Are we getting the Can-Do bots now? We had the Crow bots. You can get the Can-Do bots. Can-Do Crow bot. Oh man. We've looked at Can-Do here. Someone asked for it a long time ago, and when I looked at it, they like retweeted, they like tweeted it and like, I don't know, tagged me and stuff. Well, I mean, money in the bank, though. I guess that was one of our greatest trades. Are you joking? Are you seeing this? Wow. Look at that, too. Look at that measured move. Snipe the top. Look at this shit, dude. That was almost a 900% gain against death. At 815%. Bonkers. Someone's homework. Can-Do. There's Can-Do. You guys are Can-Do fans. Go look through my past streams. Look through the past streams. Figure out when this was placed, man. Because there's your stuff, dude. That's what you want. I'm gonna guess this was early April, based on where the long position is. All right. What time is it? It's 1:30. We went live a little early. It's 80 degrees out here. Here's what you should do. You should join the Discord. You should make sure you subscribe to this channel, and you should go sign up with the partner, any of them, an exchange, a tool, in the video description below, and you'll get free VIP access in our Discord, worth every penny. Every penny. What you should also do, though, is after this live stream, this is your other homework. You got two, I know. You're an adult. You shouldn't be getting homework anymore. But you are. After this live stream, we published another free educational trading video. Another one. This one has a pretty whale as a thumbnail. This is like number 14 in our free trading series. Check it out. Watch them. Subscribe, like, comment, hype them, share them. You know the deal, guys. These are awesome videos. They're free. They won't be free forever. At some point, they'll be paywalled. But you can check them all out now. So go do some learning. Get some learn on while the corn bakes. It's going to be good. All right, Jack, here you go. There you go. There it is. TRB at the very end. Definitely joining the Discord right on. Well, not many people are going to have better calls on Can-Do than that, man. That's going to be hard. TRB. There you go. Not very exciting. Join the Discord. You can follow me on Twitter. Watch those videos. Spread them like wildfire. They're not going to be free forever, so get them out there. That's all, fam. I'll see you in the Discord. Sign up with those partners. Shout out to LuxAlgo and MetaSignals, our sponsors. They are the best. Claim your 1 month risk-free trial with LuxAlgo. Use my link. Love you, fam. I will see you Wednesday for the FOMC minutes. That's all. A crown?